What's up, champ? Hope you're having a great day. Another day, another video. This video is about, I'm gonna give you a pro tip. One of the things I've been applying since I used to live in Norway. I did it when I lived in Barcelona. I did it when I lived in Malta. I did it when I lived in Australia. And I'm doing it when I'm living in Sweden, all right? The importance of imagination. Like what you can see in your mind's eye, where you see yourself in a couple of years. It all starts with observation. And I'm standing in front of this house because the amazing thing with this house and why I love it is because, as you can see in the middle, it's splitted and then it's divided into two different apartments. Each of the apartments here has 500 square meters big, and it has a balcony on this side and a balcony on the other side. And then they have a shared, I don't know what that's called in the middle, but hallway maybe, but you get my point. And how do I know that? Because I ask them. I take my time to investigate in things that I see myself having in just a couple of years from now. And this is one of those houses. I can vividly see myself living there together with Malaika. I can see David living in one part. And then at the top, we have our the office, and then in the basement, the office and recording studio is at the top, and then the basement, it's the gym and the dance studio. And I can see that vividly because I've done so much research about it and I spent so much time imagining just exactly this scenario. So imagination all starts with observation. So what I want you to do, this is a challenge, this is a real challenge. And if you're watching this far, I want you to comment challenge accepted, all right? If you're watching this far and you are serious in becoming a new person, I want you to comment challenge accepted. And I want you to expose yourself to new heights within the next 3 days. You have 3 days on you to expose yourself to new heights in whatever you want to become. If it's more confident, spend more time with people who are confident. Do you want to have a bigger house? Is that what you see in your movie ending? Find that house, travel to a place in your city where there is beautiful houses and spend some time there. You've exposed yourself to new heights. You want to have a better relationship with your children. Spend time with people who have children and have great relationships with them, right? Expose yourself to new heights. Maybe you need to join a mentor group where you see that, wow, there are people that are just like me, but 10 years in front of what I want to do. Join that mentor group, or at least ask if you can join, sit and join in 1 meeting. I'm pretty sure you can pay somebody to join in a mentor group for one time. How do I know that? Because I've done it multiple times. In business, in dancing, you want to become a better dancer, go out and social dance. Now the world is opening up a little bit. Go out and social dance with someone who is way past your level. Expose yourself to new heights. Imagination all starts with observation. And if you can't imagine what you're going, or where you're going, or who you want to become, it's going to be extremely difficult to end up anywhere, all right? That's the challenge. Comment challenge accepted if you're down for this challenge, all right? By Dancers for Dancers.